It's so cold this morning. It's like 17 degrees. 17 degrees, that looks so high. Morning. Yeah, this is the checkpoint, the first checkpoint, but sometimes I don't stay on the road. I just ride on the pavement. It's illegal, but I have to do it because I try to avoid delays, you know. So this is 10 kilometers, so I don't have to go faster. Or because I'm on a bike, I run more than 10 kilometers, as you can see, you know. So that's it. Just a minute, please. Thank you. I didn't pass the major road actually, so that's why I'm trying to go through the back roads. So this is where I come to the express. So I have to give way for the traffic coming from the right because they have priority over me. So that's it. So this tanker, I have to get on the right lane. So I have to give it enough room. This tanker in front of me. So just like the driving lessons. So I am going to Canary Wharf. As you can see, I have to watch my side mirrors all the time. Vehicles are crazy on this road, bro. I swear to God. Vehicles are crazy on this road. Oh my days, look at that. Look at that. Oh my days, what's happening? Yeah, that's where I'm going to. Canary Wharf. Yo, those are the banks, man. City Bank, Canary Wharf, you know. Yeah, man. That's where I'm going to now. So let's look at the side mirror. There are no one coming behind. So that's where I'm going to now. City Bank. Barclays, BGC, State Street, Bank of America. Yeah, as you can see. Fucking hell, bro. I got caught here, man. Look at that car behind, man. Okay, shit. Oh, that's a harbor. I think it's a crossboard harbor. These are the second. Good morning. This is the second border into Canary Wharf because it all has border in and out. So. It's so cold out here. 17 degrees feels like it's winter already. Oh, red and amber, please, 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 please. Yeah, let's go. Red and amber means get ready to move. Green, move it, it's safe to do so. Yeah, so this is it. Red and amber, green. Oh my dear, I pray I don't get caught, man. Father Lord, Father Lord, Father Lord, Father Lord, Father Lord, Father Lord, Father Lord. Yes, I crossed. And that's it, bro. We are there in Canary Wharf, bro. We are there in Canary Wharf. So, that's it. Woo! Woo! Bank of America, man. finally we're here. The camera stops here. Morning. I have to stop my camera, guys. That was it. Bloody right. Thank you so much, guys. I hope to see you guys later. Thank you.